Greetings from PGs Udde in Nacka Nature Reserve. That is a spontaneous nudist beach spot that I'm visiting on this 29th of October 2024, and beach the number 187 on my Sweden beach adventures. It's a beautiful sunny day here in the forest. A bit chilly though, I must say, but yeah, it is what it is as we continue the beach adventures with Chris from the beautiful nature here in Nacka. And we have currently 8 degrees Celsius in the air, and in the lake over here, Källtorp, it is 10 degrees Celsius I have just measured, and we can see how beautiful this piece of nature actually is. And I have been here 9 days ago, and back then it was quite warm in the lake. Currently it is only 10 degrees, so the lake is getting colder and colder indeed. So we will be battling with that cold today. We can see how beautiful the lake is from this part over here. You can see the full lake and landscape. Currently now we have some clouds, but the sun will reappear very soon again. We can see Norra Källtorpsbadet there, quite close, and on the other side it is Hellasgården. So we continue as scheduled, and the forecast said it's gonna get a lot colder than it is, but 8 degrees and sun, slight sun, is still quite good to continue the beach adventures on this autumn day. And we have the daylight savings behind us this weekend. We got one extra hour of sleep, but one less hour of sunshine and light in the afternoon. So let's then get going and take a swim here at PGs Udde, this spontaneous nudist beach spot in the Nacka Nature Reserve. You can find your own set, your own place over here in the beautiful nature. So let's get going right away. I think it's better on the other side as there is a bit more sun, so I will use that one indeed. Right, let's go. Quite nice to continue the beach adventures. So that over there is also a separate island that you can see right below the sun. The lake Källtorp is quite nice, but I must say it's quite cold today on this 29th of October. So without any further ado, let's then get going with today's swim in Källtorp at PGs Udde. Let's then go! So nice and refreshing indeed. And this was a nice spot to get in. Here it's not so slippery and it's not so deep also. I'm standing right here, but after that it's quite deep inside the lake, and that's why it gets also cold fairly soon. 10 degrees, this is the coldest I have been so far in a while, since April, I believe so, but soon colder it will get for sure. So as I am showing you this beautiful nature that sadly is without sun currently, but you saw some at the beginning over there. So that being said, Thank you so much for watching this episode with me from PGs Udde, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.